Okay, we have a lot of people asking about the IdolCam setup with radio control, and this is how you do it. You need a radio receiver and you need a transmitter, radio transmitter. And this radio receiver needs a battery source to power the receiver. And then we have a plug that goes into our 10-pin connector here. And right now, we're gonna be selling this cable here in a little bit. Right now, we could make it for some customers who needs them, or you could build them yourself. It's quite easy, and all you have to do is to change the mode to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're in radio control, and we can't control this gimbal with the joystick anymore. What you do is you turn on the radio transmitter. So now we're able to control the pan, and the tilt. And you could also hook it up to a drone, and we have a flight controller wires that are specifically designed for drones. So if you play around with drones, this would be a pretty good setup. Alright, that's it.